Hey everyone, my name is Carrie and I'm the team lead of the product training department here at Wellness Living. Today, I'm going to show you guys how we can go ahead and input custom notes for sales receipt at the time of checkout within the Elevate Staff app. To begin, we need to make sure that the ability to add a custom note at the time of checkout is enabled in our back end. So to get started, click on the Setup button. On the left-hand side, go on over to your store configuration, and then from there, click on Store Settings. So from here, we're going to scroll down almost all the way to the very bottom, where we can see there's a section for receipts, and we want to toggle on Add Custom Receipt Notes at Checkout in order for this to work. And once you have that enabled, go ahead and click on Save. Now that we've gone ahead and set up to allow for custom receipt notes from our staff end, we can now take a look at the Elevate Staff app on where we can go ahead and put those customization notes. So here I'm in the shopping cart and I'm logged in as a staff in the Elevate Staff app. So I've gone ahead and added a product into my cart, and now I'm on the checkout screen, and you can now see I can add a receipt note, which I've already done. I've typed in a nice customization note, and I can also see how many characters remaining that we can input into this field. So now that our clients can see this customization note along with their purchase. And this is a great tool because we can now, really personalize that note to our client to make them feel special, right? We can say, hey, thank you so much for purchasing this, right? Maybe leave us a comment on our Instagram, wear it, and tag us, right? Anything that we want to really create that rapport with our clients.